Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stock from scraps. First, gather your vegetable trimmings. Think onion skins, carrot peels, celery ends, and mushroom stems. Avoid strong-flavored items like broccoli or cabbage, which can make your stock bitter. Collect these scraps in a large freezer bag. Once you have about 8 cups or 2 liters of scraps, you are ready for the next step. This simple method reduces waste and creates a flavorful base for many dishes. Now, let's get cooking. Transfer all your collected vegetable scraps into a large stock pot. Pour in about 12 cups or 3 liters of cold water, ensuring the vegetables are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for at least 1 hour or up to 2 hours for maximum flavor extraction. Remember, a gentle simmer is key. Avoid a rolling boil to keep your stock clear. After simmering, it's time to strain your delicious stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into another large bowl. Gently press down on the cooked vegetable solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Discard the spent scraps. Now, taste your stock and season it with a pinch of salt and a few whole peppercorns. You can also add fresh herbs like parsley or thyme during the last 30 minutes of cooking for extra depth. Once your homemade vegetable stock is ready, let it cool completely to room temperature. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safe storage. Pour the cooled stock into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it for up to 6 months, making it a convenient pantry staple. This versatile liquid is perfect as a flavorful base for countless recipes, including hearty soups, comforting stews, and creamy risottos. Enjoy your zero-waste culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.